Well, the death toll from the raging wildfires in Southern California now stands at 27. Fire crews are taking advantage of favorable conditions today, trying to get ahead of the flames, but officials are concerned now those powerful Santa Ana winds and dangerous fire conditions could return next week. Here's ABC's Melissa Adon.
Officials in Southern California with a warning the current lull in the deadly fire conditions is only temporary.
There are more extreme winds on the horizons, like I said, next week, and our community needs to remain ready.
The break in these extreme fire conditions allowing a new view of the scope of the devastation in Malibu. This home survived the Palisades fire last week, but was split in half by a landslide.
These slopes have become fragile. The soil that is supporting your home have all become fragile and damaged, if you will, due to the events that we've had.
The fire so hot it burned not just vegetation, but also rocks and earth. Meanwhile, thousands of students have been impacted by these fires. Numbers coming in from the Department of Education show at least 50 public and charter schools have been impacted in some way. 10 of them destroyed or damaged, affecting nearly 30,000 students and their families. Altadena, a city tucked into the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains, home to 42,000 people and known for its picturesque landscape, now forever changed.
My whole neighborhood is gone. I don't know how we're going to come back from this.
The entire community devastated.
To see our city burned down to the ground pretty much, it's painful.
Some of the firefighters who have been battling these fires have been impacted personally, at least 12 of them losing their homes.
There's just nothing left. I think that's the hard part is losing the sentimental thing. You know, we're never going to lose the memories.
Federal and local law enforcement have joined forces to combat crimes in wildfire areas, creating a task force to prosecute crimes against arson, looting, and burglary. Melissa Adon, ABC News, Altadena.